初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I'd like to book a room.
I'd like to book a room.
我想预订一个房间。
I'd like to book a room.
I'd like to book a room.
Do you have any rooms available?
Do you have any rooms available?
你们有空房吗？
Do you have any rooms available?
Do you have any rooms available?
I need a single room.
I need a single room.
我需要一个单人间。
I need a single room.
I need a single room.
I need a double room.
I need a double room.
我需要一个双人间。
I need a double room.
I need a double room.
I'd like a room with 2 beds.
I'd like a room with 2 beds.
我想要一个有2张床的房间。
I'd like a room with 2 beds.
I'd like a room with 2 beds.
I'd like a room with a view.
I'd like a room with a view.
我想要一个带景观的房间。
I'd like a room with a view.
I'd like a room with a view.
How much is one night?
How much is one night?
一晚多少钱？
How much is one night?
How much is one night?
Is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included?
早餐包含在内吗？
Is breakfast included?
Is breakfast included?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
你们有免费 WiFi 吗？
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Do you have a swimming pool?
Do you have a swimming pool?
你们有游泳池吗？
Do you have a swimming pool?
Do you have a swimming pool?
Do you have a gym?
Do you have a gym?
你们有健身房吗？
Do you have a gym?
Do you have a gym?
Is parking free?
Is parking free?
停车免费吗？
Is parking free?
Is parking free?
Can I see the room first?
Can I see the room first?
我可以先看看房间吗？
Can I see the room first?
Can I see the room first?
I'd like to check in.
I'd like to check in.
我想办理入住。
I'd like to check in.
I'd like to check in.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
这是我的护照。
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
How many nights will you stay?
How many nights will you stay?
你要住几晚？
How many nights will you stay?
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 2 nights.
I will stay for 2 nights.
我要住2晚。
I will stay for 2 nights.
I will stay for 2 nights.
I will stay for 1 week.
I will stay for 1 week.
我要住1周。
I will stay for 1 week.
I will stay for 1 week.
What time is breakfast?
What time is breakfast?
早餐几点开始？
What time is breakfast?
What time is breakfast?
Where is the restaurant?
Where is the restaurant?
餐厅在哪里？
Where is the restaurant?
Where is the restaurant?
Where is the elevator?
Where is the elevator?
电梯在哪里？
Where is the elevator?
Where is the elevator?
Where is my room?
Where is my room?
我的房间在哪里？
Where is my room?
Where is my room?
Can you help me with my luggage?
Can you help me with my luggage?
你能帮我拿行李吗？
Can you help me with my luggage?
Can you help me with my luggage?
Can I get an extra pillow?
Can I get an extra pillow?
我能多要一个枕头吗？
Can I get an extra pillow?
Can I get an extra pillow?
Can I get an extra blanket?
Can I get an extra blanket?
我能多要一条毯子吗？
Can I get an extra blanket?
Can I get an extra blanket?
Can I get more towels?
Can I get more towels?
我能多要几条毛巾吗？
Can I get more towels?
Can I get more towels?
The air conditioner is not working.
The air conditioner is not working.
空调坏了。
The air conditioner is not working.
The air conditioner is not working.
The shower is not working.
The shower is not working.
淋浴坏了。
The shower is not working.
The shower is not working.
The TV is not working.
The TV is not working.
电视坏了。
The TV is not working.
The TV is not working.
The light is broken.
The light is broken.
灯坏了。
The light is broken.
The light is broken.
Can you fix it, please?
Can you fix it, please?
你能修一下吗？
Can you fix it, please?
Can you fix it, please?
Can I change my room?
Can I change my room?
我能换房间吗？
Can I change my room?
Can I change my room?
Do you have room service?
Do you have room service?
你们有客房服务吗？
Do you have room service?
Do you have room service?
Can I order food to my room?
Can I order food to my room?
我能点餐到房间吗？
Can I order food to my room?
Can I order food to my room?
I would like to check out.
I would like to check out.
我想办理退房。
I would like to check out.
I would like to check out.
What time is check out?
What time is check out?
退房时间是几点？
What time is check out?
What time is check out?
Can I leave my luggage here?
Can I leave my luggage here?
我能把行李放在这里吗？
Can I leave my luggage here?
Can I leave my luggage here?
Can I get a taxi from here?
Can I get a taxi from here?
我能从这里叫出租车吗？
Can I get a taxi from here?
Can I get a taxi from here?
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service.
谢谢你们的服务。
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service.
I enjoyed my stay.
I enjoyed my stay.
我住得很愉快。
I enjoyed my stay.
I enjoyed my stay.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道。 并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。